Hi everybody, this is Todd Brogowski. I'm just going to go over really quickly how to post an event on Facebook for those that might have questions. So here I am on the Region 10 Facebook page, and if I want to create an event, I just click on the link with the icon of a ticket. I can add the event name then, add an event location, and then I can set the frequency, and you can create events with repeating dates or multi-day events. The important thing is to make sure that when you create an event, you check to make sure that it's in the right time zone. One thing I've noticed is I'm in Pacific time. If I post an event in Alaska, I have to make sure that I'm posting it in the right time zone, and that requires accurate location data to do. Okay, so let's talk about event details. In this particular event, I've selected the category of causes because that's the one that most commonly applies to Team Rubicon events, but fitness events also work. For the event description, you want to make sure that you have included the necessary details from the roll call for the event. That may include the roll call number. And if you want, you can link to the roll call for the event. But I recommend that you shorten that link with a link shortener such as Google's. And here's an example of the Google link shortening website. One of the reasons I recommend this is you can get a good sense of how many people are actually clicking on the roll call for the event. Let's talk about event options. So you can set co-hosts for an event. I recommend you pick the person that is in charge of the event or the state or city administrator local to the event. And then you can set posting levels so that only the hosts can post or anyone can post. And that allows people to ask questions, add comments to the event, and that's pretty helpful. You can also set when the event is posted by selecting the drop down next to the word publish and pick on the schedule there, or you can publish immediately just by clicking on that publish link. Okay, let's talk about creating images for events. That's going to be a great way to draw people in to the event. So you select that change photo or video button, and you got to make sure you select the right sort of image. I recommend creating images that are 1920 by 1080 pixels. That's the recommended dimensions that Facebook provides for event photos. You can find a number of royalty-free options for images at these locations. TR's photos are at the link on the top there. You can also find vector graphics at Unsplash and thenounproject.com. If you need the capabilities to edit photos or add vector graphics to the pictures for your event, you can do so at these locations. These are some low-cost, no-cost alternatives to the highly expensive Adobe Creative Suite / Adobe Creative Cloud. I do most of my work in Canva, which is at www.canva.com. But you can also use apps on your phone such as Over or Mac and PC apps such as Affinity Designer and Graphic Designer. So let me know if you have any questions. This is Todd. Thanks.